So this will be the starting page. If you open, after the Arduino is downloaded and you open it, you'll open the Arduino software package. And then we'll go through a few steps there. The chip is quite easy to use. We'll go over that now. So if you look at the Arduino, this first little tick there is like a spell check, or you'll verify it, see if the code's correct. That one is the upload. We're going to upload it to your Arduino chip. And then in file, there's some examples. So if you go to examples, we'll start with basics and just blink. And what basics and blink does, on leg 13 on your chip, if you look here on your chip, leg 13, this one, and ground, it will send this blinking signal out if you connect the LED to those two. So to connect Arduino to your interface, you just use your USB plug on the download cable and plug it into any USB port on your device, and then the other side just plugs into there, into your Arduino chip, and you'll see the two LEDs. The one is the same as leg 13 as well, but I like to add a LED, and then we can see. So the long leg into leg 13 and the short leg into ground. And then we'll quickly program the chip, and then I'll show you how to download the program. So back to the programming editor. If you are going to download the blink program, so I went examples, basics, blink, and I click on that, and there's the blink program, the code already. The important thing is to see the delay there. That will be the time that the LED will be on, and that will be off. You can see the high and the low. So you can change that parameter, make it 100 or so, and look at the difference in the LED. Now I'll download the program, so you can check it if you want to. This is more for where you write your own programs. So I'm going to download it, and you'll see that green line, and it will complete the download. We'll just give it a few seconds. Okay, my program is downloaded, and there's my LED flashing. Just give it a I'll just quickly download it again. Okay, so there's the error message. If that happens, you go to make sure that you've got the right under tools, the right board. So I had it on the Uno, but go back because we're using the Uno. So you go there and you go to Uno, and then you download it again. And when that green line is completed, the program's been uploaded from here into the Arduino. The good thing about the Arduino, it will play the program in a loop, so you don't have to keep it connected to your computer. So if I go to my chip there, so now that's flashing, 100 milliseconds on, 100 milliseconds off. And there I've got my LED flashing. Now, if you download and it doesn't want to download, it comes up with an error message. You probably have to go to Tools again and choose COM port. It will give you a COM port option there, and you just click on that and try and download it again. So that's the two major faults with it. Now we're going to change the parameters to 100. So I'm changing that to 100, and I'm changing the bottom one to 100, and then we'll just see what happens if I download this again. So I'm downloading that, and we'll see what happens to the speed of my flashing LED. And you can definitely see an increase in the flash of the LED. So this is the basics, programming editor download, and just using the blink sketch that's already available.